And I think it is possible to be implemented the provisions of the International Declaration on the Rights of Persons with indigenous people under the 5th and 6th schedule the Constitution of India. 6th schedule is applied in Northeast India, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Tripura, and Mizoram, and 5th schedule is applied to the rest of the India. So certain trimming and cutting is required. Otherwise, we are maintaining the international standard. At the international level, we don't have any problem. And the domestic level, we have to apply the trimming and cutting policy, and some law has to be amended. Thank you very much. I think I have taken much more time.
Just ask one or two questions from the first person. So we end up. Whatever questions that we have, whatever we have said. Any other questions related to environmental issue that you may ask. As a law student, you must have some idea about environmental law and environmental issues. So on that, if you want to please ask me questions, one or two questions you can ask. We'll end up the session.
Feel free to ask.
No problem. If you like to ask, I will try to answer.
Anybody like a report that I you have to ask question. Any question? No problem.
हम प्रयास करेंगे क्या बात है?
Yes.
अभी नहीं है हम बता नहीं पाएंगे.
Yes, please.
One question. One question.
Please.
Sir, very good morning, sir. It's a wonderful session. I'm really privileged to have listened to you, sir. So my question is, sir, recently in news we are listening to the air quality index, which is going very high in Delhi, in other parts of the world also. What is this? What are the steps that can be taken to prevent this?
I have discussed that there is the fault of the law, sound pollution or noise pollution, because sound increases, noise introduces. So our law is now Air Pollution Act, and air pollution includes noise also, right? And there are rules. So it is impossible to be controlled by these legislation. So new act is required to be enacted. I have suggested in my lecture, I said that one law has to be enacted. The name of the law should be Sound and Noise Pollution and Control Act, right? A separate legislation is required. Otherwise, very nicely, it is Delhi good. Calcutta is worst. You know, dense population. You know, almost the middle of the city, the airport, very big international airport, Subhash Chandra Bose Airport. You cannot reside 5 kilometers nearby the. Two things is required. International technology is required to be developed so that there is airport, there is air, sound can be controlled by using the silent server. It is required. Technological development is required. Mechanism is also required. Only the police clearance scale is there, regular sector is high, right? One rule is there, central government has enacted a rule, right? But sound is a local problem. Why I should respond to central government rule? I'm in Calcutta, right? It is the problem is the local problem and controlling by national law, right? No infrastructure is there, and if you are punishing, punishment is high. If I taken wrongly from your pen, from your hand, I forget. It is also a offense, right? It is very difficult that I can establish offense here. But maximum punishment should be 6 months, not that capital punishment. मामा में जाना है, तेल का शीशा टूटा हुआ है, सो बच्चे का ऊपर कूद पड़ा। अब तुम लोग जो बुढ़ा आदमी हिंदुस्तान पर कूद चुका है, आप कर चुका है, तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं। सो बांग्ला में बोलते हैं तेल शीशी हम लोगों ने कुमुर करे रात करो, Tumra jese bud tuka bharat penge paat. Meaning hereby, you the old people, you are destroying the India. No problem. A small kid has broken a bottle. You are beating. Same thing. There is sound pollution is a local problem. You are controlling by the area. So prima facie is violating the rule of law principle under Article 14. Thank you very much.
So I have a question. I didn't explain about us what intergenerational equity and what is the observation Supreme Court on that.
Intergenerational equity is meaning hereby. So far as the natural resources are concerned, you consume these natural resources in little amounts that is satisfying the present need without diminishing the option of the future. Right? So there are three indicators that we developed by the Supreme Court of India. I have noted down. One is conservation of option, right? Common Praja versus Union of India. Supreme Court decided in 2017 case, rated case. Supreme Court said that there are three indicators of intergenerational equity. One is conservation option, conservation of quality, and conservation of access. Right? For example, you are the guardian, you are the owner, and you have the 1 crore rupees. भाई आपको तो लाइफस्टाइल जीना है, सो इतना ही खर्चा करिए ताकि नेक्स्ट जनरेशन का भी कुछ बचा रहे. There are three indicators developed in the Supreme Court of India. In the case of Common Praja versus Union of India, citation is 2017 9 SCC 499, and three indicators have been developed by the Supreme Court. One is conservation option, and this conservation of quality and conservation of access. You have to look into also quality of it. So you are the teacher, you are the student. Quality of learning you have to maintain, and quality of teaching you have to maintain, right? All these things, there should be some relation between each other.
So, thank you so much, sir.
My question is, in Delhi there are more associations. So there are granting some vehicles. So the same vehicles are bought by other states like Pondicherry and all. So again, these vehicles are coming to Pondicherry. So same problem will arise in future. So today it's Delhi, maybe tomorrow it's Pondicherry or some other state. So how law is going to protect or to avoid this kind of products move from other states?
Existing law is motorcycle act. Police is just because first is of who is giving the permission to the car. Right? For example, I have a car. I got the permission from the government of West Bengal with a license from travel throughout India. So one responsibility is pollution checking in Calcutta, because every 1 year you have to get there is pollution free certificate. Right? There are measurement. Second thing is that India is not a federal state like America. India is a unitary state. So Delhi problem is different because the Delhi law is Capital Territory Act is there, the constitution has been amended into the Capital Territory. It took the territory from UP also Rajasthan, also because of surrounding state. So this mechanism has to be adopted, and Delhi administration has to look into the pollution control certificate existing. Second is that air pollution is the national issue, right? Sound pollution is the local issue, right? So in Delhi pollution has to be controlled so far. Otherwise, no new mechanism has been developed, right? Definitely here also, in particular, also pollution certificate is required for that. So it is also mechanism. Second thing is that, for example, I have a book. So I get tax rules and certificate of lifetime certificate is there. Now government of West Bengal is not giving lifetime for 5 years. Every 5 years giving that mechanism. But this mechanism, I don't find any difference between 15 years permission and 5-year permission. Right? So another danger is there. Every responsibility is given to the police. Our system is the adversary system. Now we are gradually moving to a inquisitorial process. Indian freedom movement was against the adversarial system. Freedom movement was against the inquisitorial system. Our system is adversarial system. Much more power is not given to the police. We can suffer something, but police को ज़्यादा power देंगे तो आपका suffering ज़्यादा होगा.
Thank you very much, sir, for enlightening us on different aspects of Indian law. I'm sure students would have been great. And now I just call upon Mahadevan of first year LLB to share your feedback on the day session.
Good morning, respectable professor. Then our respected principal sir and all my faculty professors.